Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the heater box in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and homemade holding strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new heater box. The heater box is a metal duct which allows the hot air to circulate over the heating element into the dryer. The main reason why the heater box has to be replaced because this grille that goes inside the dryer wears out, causing damage to the clothing. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screw that holds the terminal block cover and remove the cover. Then remove the 1/4-inch screws around the perimeter and take the rear cover panel off. Take the single 1/4-inch screw on the left side of the heater box out and remove the thermal cutoff thermostat. Take out two 1/4-inch screws, one on each side that holds together the heating element and the box. Separate them and put the heater on the floor. Open the lint screen door and pull out the lint screen. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take two screws out from under the lint door. Make sure they're not going to go inside the lint chute. Use some kind of a homemade device to support the top when it's open. In my case, I'm going to tape it to the surface because there's no hole on the top. Press your knee against the front panel, grab the top panel with both hands by its sides, and pull it forward to unlock from the plastic clips. Hook up the strap. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take one screw on the top out, release the bracket, remove the bracket from the heater box, and put down the top. Pull the old heater box from the rear bulkhead and lift it off the bottom hinges here. Here's the old part. Here's the old heater box next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new heater box with those two cutouts fitting over those two retainers, or hinges you can call them, and then insert it inside the rear bulkhead. Now we need to put the bracket here and secure it to the bulkhead. Place the mounting bracket through the slot on the top. Install the heater box into the opening in the rear bulkhead and secure the bracket to the bulkhead with a single 1/4-inch screw from inside the dryer. All right, now we can remove the holding strap and close the top. Push it down till it locks. Then I'm going to remove that duct tape. Secure the top to the lint chute with two Phillips screws. Insert the lint screen in and close the lint door. Slide the heater into the heater box. Secure it with the two 1/4-inch screws on the sides. Now we're going to install the cutout thermostat. Put this little tab into the cutout and then lower it down, match the holes, and secure it with a 1/4-inch screw. Alright, now we can install the rear cover panel. Please pay attention. If you see that lip at the bottom of the cover, it goes over the cabinet and it interlocks. Then we can raise it up and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. Now we can install the cover. Slide this tab on the left side into the slot and secure the right side with a 1/4-inch screw. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.